Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm the founder of Heretic.School, and this is a quick video about who we are, what we do, and how to get started. So first up, you are going to have to head over to the extension page and install the extension. This allows the content we recommend to your child to be extensible to us, meaning we can ask relevant reading comprehension questions or application questions. So just get that out of the way real quick. You could hit download extension right here. Then you're going to sign up. I already have this auto-filled, so we're going to create an account. Then we're going to fill it in right here. And then this will bring us to the onboarding page. This allows us to personalize what we generate to your child's interests and goals. School shouldn't require them to do a bunch of busy work they don't care about because obviously they won't remember it. It's not how our brains work. We need interest and incentive to actually give a shit to learn. So I'm just going to put in a super simplified version. The more you write, the better it'll be personalized, but I'm just going to do this quickly for brevity. So I'm going to put LLMs. AI is the future. LLMs. You can pick your feedback preference. This is all about what kind of philosophy of homeschooling you subscribe to. I'm not in the business of telling you what to do. So pick whichever works best for your family. From here, you're going to recognize some categories. Whole ton of options here, whatever your child is interested in. We have ACT and SAD prep, depending on what standardized tests you plan on taking, if any. We have 3 with our free tier. Once you upgrade to our paid tier, you can have as many as you want. And based on what you're doing in one, it to a certain degree influences the kind of projects what you're interested in the others. I would strongly recommend the full onboarding, but for brevity's sake, I'm going to skip it here. And right now we're generating personalized articles for your student to help them learn whatever they're interested in, as well as selecting some of the best educational videos from across the entire internet. And with that, we're pairing them with personalized projects that allow your student to get reps in applying what they learned so that they can become experts in what they care about. This is going to take just a second. It's generating on the back end. Just like that, go to Learning Dashboard. Okay, normally there'll be a tutorial. There's not here because I've already done this before. You can fill in your nickname here. And from here, you have articles and projects set up for them. Down here, you have a video. And then you have all your units here and your completion percentages. This is some gamification features to add just a little more incentive psychologically to go above and beyond for each one. Here, you're just going to click a link, open it, and the sidebar is going to pop up. You're going to scroll, you're going to read. Reading comprehension questions are going to pass in here. You're going to answer these. You can also answer with what we call yap mode. Basically, you're going to go back and forth with the AI. It's going to ask you clarifying questions to make sure you actually understand it, or you can just submit a written response. All good. With that, we're going to come back to here, and we're going to just check out our projects real quick. Includes a grading rubric, and then just giving a high-level instruction on how to complete a project here. Excuse me. If you want a voice chat answer and go back and forth, we're going to allow this time. But we're not actually going to do this time. In effect, this voice chat answer is allowing us to respond and go back and forth and design it, and it'll push you to a pretty far degree. Or you can submit an answer here. You can upload images or code files or however you want to do it. This would be design an interactive console application. Basically, however you want to build your own console here, which isn't that hard. I'd probably do it in Python with Kinter or something. Anyway, this is just high level. You can take this in any direction you want, but there are clear criteria here. And with that, we can scroll down here. We have conditional logic optimization. These are all, basically pretty simple projects. Introduction to Programming Fundamentals. If we came down here to software engineering and design patterns, you would see far more complicated ones. We had an error here. I will clean that up. And it's simple as that. There's also friends and collaboration. If you have, friends on the platform, your child can actually do collaborative projects with them and have like a category here. That's something like specifically collaborative you're choosing for, your child and their friend. That's the long and short of it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out directly at Andrew at Heretic.School. And I look forward to talking with you.